Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you will have to open your phone application, then you have to go to contacts, then select contact which you want to add photo, tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon, then you have to select if you want to take photo or you want to select photo from the gallery. Let's select photo. Here you can adjust it, and then tap done, and after that then tap save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.